So I'm Emma. I guess I kind of coordinate. I manage the food bank. About this time last year, when lockdown number 1 happened, we had quite a few. We had a food bank already running on a fairly kind of small scale. And at the same time as we had more people coming in saying we need food and we're a bit stuck, we also had people, really lovely people from the community, contacting us and saying we'd really love to help and get involved. And so I just ended up in this kind of role of coordinating and managing the food bank and the volunteers, and it's mushroomed from there really. We probably this time 18 months ago, we were maybe giving out 5 or 6, 7 bags a week. At a high point during lockdown, we were probably giving out 30 to 40 bags a week. We're now at sort of 20 to 30 households a week that we're providing food for. So yes, definitely an increase in demand. I think we'll have a week where we look at the cupboards and we think we've got so much. Look at all these tins of soup. We'll never run out of soup. This is amazing. And then a week later, we those soups have gone to our kind of 20 to 30 households, and we're going, where are all the soups gone? So that the stocks tend to be very up and down. But people, like local businesses have been really, really helpful and really supportive. Have made some really generous donations. We have people who come and bring us stuff every week, and then we have kind of businesses or people who give kind of monetary donations and or a big donation of something once in a while, and we really, really appreciate that. So yeah, generally things have worked out okay, even though we've had a few hairy moments when we've thought we've run out of things. So we've got a Facebook page for Salem Foodbank, and we put every week we put a list of the foods that we need that week, or the foods that we're running short of. There is also a link I think that Rose has put up where people can donate directly to us, so that's really helpful as well. It's dropped a bit now because obviously furlough schemes have ended. People have ended up having to go back to work and haven't been able to commit so much, but we've still got about 38 kind of volunteers who are regularly around, and then a kind of, I guess, a core team that are always here on a Saturday, but then other volunteers who go and pick up prescriptions for us for people who are shielding, or we've got a volunteer who does shopping every week for some of the more vulnerable people in our community. We've got some volunteers who link up or do a telephone call and check in on people who are isolated within our community who got in touch during the first lockdown, and that's carried on. So we've got, I think, 38-ish volunteers on the books. We're open for donations every Saturday from 10:30 until 12:30. We're open for food bank collections every Saturday from 10:30 until 12. But if people can't make Saturdays, and Saturdays is a difficult time, there are various points in the village that they can drop off, or they can contact us through Facebook or through the number on our little list, and arrange someone will come and collect, or we'll arrange somewhere to drop off.